All right, now to put your drive back onto the Sidewinder or Refresher unit, it's pretty much the opposite of taking it back off. Make sure you have your belt to the side and out of the way. So you're going to want to come in so you can see the boom arm through these 3 holes on the side of your machine, the ones the bolts go through. You're going to want to come down so the boom arm fits right in between so you can see it through all the holes. You're going to take your larger bolts and install them into the machine and boom arm. Sometimes they don't fit in exactly perfectly by the way the machine's sitting, so you might need to, tug it a little bit, move it around just the bolts sit in. Once that's done, take your 3/4 inch wrench and tighten them all down. For the next step, you're going to tilt your machine back and put the belt on the pulley and the drum. Thank you. So to do that, insert your belt above the brush drive pulley and around the top of the clutch here, and then put it around the belt tensioner. So to get the belt on, sit it on the side of the brush drive pulley. And rotate it. You mind holding the drive in place? Just pull it down. Some of these can be a little bit more stubborn. Something to watch out for is if the spring on the belt tensioner gets stuck inside the machine, it actually will not move, and that makes it impossible to put your belt on. And you'll know the spring is not on the tensioner properly because, like you were saying before, it will get stuck and it won't move. Next, you're going to take your belt cover and carefully slide it back onto place. And you're going to take your muffler bracket and the 2 smaller bolts and install that on the machine. Before tightening them down all the way, just to make sure you still have some movement, at least for the refresher, you're going to want to mount the bolts hand tight for this as well. And with the Sidewinder models, since there is no boom arm bracket, you want to make sure you have bolts in all of these holes so the machine, the belt cover still moves before you tighten everything down.